What's up, guys? It's your boy Steve coming back at you from PokeDad and the Kid. Today we're going to be opening some packs from Brilliant Stars. Haven't really gotten into this set just yet, but I've been seeing a lot of people get into it. And I've been seeing a lot of people getting some great hits out of it. So I figured, why not? Let's get up on this and let's see what this set's all about. Again, this is your first time here to the channel. We do videos when we can. Haven't been able to come across product like the way we want to, but nonetheless, we come here to merely just show the collection of what we have. We are on other platforms such as Instagram and Facebook, as well as here on YouTube. Alright, Karrablast is that reverse holo. And we got a Muck. I've been seeing a lot of creators open up some of these packs, and they've actually got some pretty good hits out of them. Decided to jump on this and see what these cards are all about. Let's do that Leon guest energy card. Let's say Psychic. Ooh, alright. Electric. Alright, so we got Rosemary backup. We got Pelbass. We got Grimplup. We got Hachula. We got Minccino. We got Karrablast. We got Buizel. We got Hachula. We got Probopass, and that is a reverse, and we got a Mewtwo on holo. I do like that Mewtwo though. That is a nice card. Been seeing a lot of creators pull that card, and I don't know, I've been a fan of Mewtwo. Do like it. Do like it. Alright. Let's go ahead and go with water. Oh, fighting, okay. Team Yelchu. Cinccino. Cleaning Gloves. Lip Dip. Gosslet. Castform. Chimchar. Baltoy. Oh, very nice. One of the gallery cards with Dedenne and a Boss's Order. Alright. Let's go ahead and sleeve this guy up. That is a nice looking card. Alright, on to the next pack. Alright, here we go. Let's get fire. Oh, Psychic, okay. Cinccino, Cleaning Gloves, Buizel, Electabuzz, Hachula, Buizel, Gible, Trapinch, Roseanne's backup as a reverse, and a Tornadus. Not too bad. Get into this next pack here. Alright. 2, 3, and 4. Let's guess fighting. Oh, Steel. Okay. I got that freshwater set. Some of it. Marnini's Pride. Alright. Who is this guy? Karrablast. Buizel. Hachula. Troll. Magmar. And I do love that artwork on that Magmar. We got Hitmontop as a reverse, and Professor's Research. Alright. Last pack. Last pack magic. Alright. Let's guess that grass. Oh, grass. Alright. I got that pod helmet. We got Executor. Friends of Galar. Friend of Galar. Alright. Corphish. Magmar. Spiricum. Bummery. Lip Dip. Professor's Research as the reverse. And... oh, we got a gold card. Alright. Magma Basin. Alright, not too bad. Not too bad. Two nice looking cards. Of course, we need to sleeve this bad boy up. And I want to thank you for joining us today. Join us back again on our next video. We will be unveiling the Elite Trainer box from Brilliant Stars. Again, that's one of the newest sets that's out. Remember, stay positive. And here on the channel, as always, you got to catch them all.